Good afternoon, everyone here. Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Pagod na kung tama pa ba ko. We here in the Philippines, in Bicol, Philippines, raining. It's raining, man. Hallelujah, it's raining, man. Raining here. Oh my gosh. Where are you now? Someone deep inside. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Thank you, my love. Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Ay, pagod na ako. I'm not going outside because rainy here. Have a typhoon. That's why I stay at home. Stay at home, everyone. Hello, everyone here. Oh my gosh. Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. Pagod na ako. Tama pa ba? Gusto kong magsumbong. Yep. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Hi, Golden. Oh my God, Golden. It's very early here in the Philippines, in the America. Good afternoon. Good morning to you. There. What time? It's the middle of the night there. You're not still sleepy? You're not going to sleep? Gusto kong magsumbong. Thank you for the thumbs up. Yep. Middle of the night. Oh my God. That's why you still wake up. I am. Yes, you are. Gusto ko magsumbong sa'yo. Pagod na. Did you do dancing again? Oh, not yet. But I will do. But I will. You want to see me? I'm dancing? You want to see me? You want to see me, huh? Araw. Gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo. You want to see me, please? Say yes, say yes. You was really good at it. Thank you, Golden. Totoo. Gusto kong magsumbong. You was really good at it. Thank you. What are you doing, Golden? What are you doing at the middle of the night? Why are you doing now? I do live. Today I plan to work today for encoding, but not yet happened because rainy here. I have a typhoon here. The typhoon name is Tino. The typhoon name is Tino. 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 Tinutuon niya. Again, yes. Always having a type on here. Just again. Type on here again. You having that again? Yes. Having here again. Oh my God. How many do you get them? What I mean, the typo, the typo. Thank you for the thumbs up. Get off them. The what? Get off them? Huh? What do you mean? What do you mean? Get off them, yes. What what the off them? Get off them. Hi, Seven Marathon. What do you mean, golden? Gus, golden. What do you mean? Good afternoon, Cheryl. Nice seeing you here today. Thank you, Steven Marathon. Thank you so much for joining here again. Ay, paluwaya man yun. Thank you for the thumbs up. Oh my God. Typhoon storm, yes. Having a typhoon here again. Having a typhoon storm here again. Cold. Cold. Cold here. Real cold here. Typhoon storm. Yeah, having a typhoon storm. Gusto ko pagod na pagod. I have no lotion. How many do you get of the typhoon of the day? How many do you get? I don't understand. Sorry. Can you say it in different sentence or word? That's why I understand it. Yeah. I don't understand. How many do you get of the typhoon of the day? Yeah, I don't understand. How many do you get? How many do you get of the typhoon of the day? Yeah, I don't understand. Sorry. Can you, or maybe you want to say, maybe you say, how many typhoon of the day? I have today. How many typhoon do you get? Today? Today is one typhoon today. One typhoon the day. Oh my God, a day. But in another day or like one of a week. A week. It depends. It depends of the broadcast, weather broadcast. It depends on the weather broadcast. Yeah. Like sometimes in 1 week, two typhoons, something like that. Like once a week. Sometimes when typhoon, when you have a typhoon now, after this typhoon, something new typhoon again, something like that. Very not like not heal from the effect of the typhoon. Then another destroyer again. Then another struggle again. like not yet recovered, then need to prepare for the another. You have crazy storm. Yeah, crazy. She may get about five a season. Yeah, something like I don't know. Uh, five. Oh my god. Oh. Mm. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the thumbs up. That's why team still wake up because it's the middle of the night there in US. My God. Now I know. Now early morning. What's like? Yep, yep. Hmm. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for the 5 people here. Who's watching? Look who's talking now. Look who's talking now. I forgot I was going to ask you. Okay, ask me. What is your question? What you want to ask me, Golden? Ask me as soon as possible. ASAP. Charot. Okay, Golden, what is your what? Why you want to ask me? Go ahead. Why you want to ask me? Come on. Do you call liquid water when the typhoon comes? No. How? Why I collect? Oh my god. Why I collect? No. No, I'm not. We're not collect. I'm not collect. Maybe the other collect, but we're not. Why you so aggressive? Sorry. I'm cold. I feel cold. Sorry. I'm just kidding. It's funny one. My god. What is the next question? Next question, please. Lalamig ako. Oh. Next question, please. Colin. Come on. I heard water not easy to come by. It's very high heard. Huh? Here, the water is not a problem here in our place. So that's what I heard. Here, water is not the problem. We have lots of water source here. Here in the no here in our place, uh, the water is sourced from here. Yeah. Yep. What next question? Next question, please. yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. July. Oh, okay, yeah. So, proceed to the next question, please. Next question. Next question. Okay. Uh, do you sell food too? No. No, I'm not selling. I buy. I buy but not sell. Before when in teenage life, we sell with my sisters, my parents, we sell vegetable in the market and also food. Do you have a store also? No, no store. I want having a store here, but need a capital like money to invest the sari store. Yes, I want having a store here, like a small store. Yeah, I want. I want like that, a small business store, like this. If I have an item to sell, I will do. Yep, yep. If my channel is monetized, you can give me to start a small business. Give me a gift. Send me a gift. Start for me to a small business. Yep. I need to repair this for having a store. It's good to store here. Only why I ask other streamers if you please have a store or to sell food. Yeah, because it's good for source of income. Daily needs. It helps for daily needs and basic needs. Yeah, it helps to survive. Not too much income, but it helps. Okay. Or like flower or coffee. Yeah, like a coffee shop. It's good here at the coffee shop. Coffee shop is good here. Yep, yep. Oh, sorry. Or clothes. Yeah, or clothes. Yes, that's right, Golden. Oh, no, she forget to tell you I support her. She gives me no credit. Hi, thank you, team, for supporting me. Thank you so much. I always say thank you to you. Nilalim ng bituin. Thank you for the 7 people here. Thank you so much. Oh my god. I feel I'm getting sick. I'm not. I know you do, Tim. I just wanted to know what you did. Yes. I don't know much about her. That's fine. I don't know about them. It's fine. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. I know that you want for me. God, I wish we never met on a day I brought it down to your knees. I wish your misery life's gone from me. Thank you for you look like you teach. Huh? Me? You talking to me, Golden? You look like you teach. I teach? Ah. Oh, sorry. So, yes. No, I'm not teaching. I'm not teaching. My patient is not high. I'm not like that. Thank you for no lotion now. Oh my God. No lotion. No lotion.
Tita Mami.
Yes.
Ayaw daw si Ate Miss ng kwarta. Di ma.
Okay, nag-aayo kwarta. Inaayo ang kwarta.
Gusto ko.
O, sige
Hugas
na.
kami ni Ate Min.
Ay, bawal na maghugas. Ikaw, hugas ka ni mama mo.
Hugas ako.
Hugas ka namin.
Tulong kami ni Ate Min.
Ayaw na.
Ano?
Hi from the UK.
Tita,
Hi,
tulong
Alan
kami ni Ate
Bell.
Min magtaas sa tenong kasama.
Hi, Alan Bell. Ay, malapit na ang birthday ni Baba. Why are the kids home? Yeah, they want to wash our dishes. Because Ash asked money. Also, she wants today. She wants to wash our dishes. That's why she gets the money.
Magtaas.
Look.
Pahinugasan mo, matulong ako magtaas.
Kiss mo daw ako.
Tita, suhulan mo kami natin, Min, ha? Pati ako.
Ayo pa, come on. Come on, come on. Gigil ako. Wow! What a cute job. Hi, Alan Ball. No! Thank you for watching. That's your daughter? No. I have one kid. Remember? Only son. They are my niece, my brother's daughter. If you're getting sick, stop kissing her. Yeah. Yes, of course. Thank you guys for joining my live stream. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit sa magpunta, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit sa magpunta, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong... How long have you been doing YouTube? I started the my YouTube channel since 2020. Then I stopped 2003 for the YouTube. Before I monetized my channel, but I stopped because of busy to work here. That's why. Yep. I need to work for our basic needs. Then now I decided to do live, to monetize again for the extra income, because salary income here is not good for our daily needs with my son. So I need to do this for trying for the extra income. Okay. How I wish I unlock the super chat. Oh my god, monetize my channel, please. Oh my god, hope monetize my channel again. I feel stressed na. Please. Help me. Oh god. Oh my god. What is there to do in the Philippines? What is there? Are there here? It depends on the place. Like here in the province of Bicol, where I live, the people here we have lots of farmer. Like our place here, 80% livelihood here is a farmer. Yes, farmer. So the other is about the business, like store, office for the municipal. The other is the business like market, selling. She selling money. She sent money to us, and her job is a volunteer, and she doesn't get paid. So if she wants more stuff, she has to get monetized so she can buy more stuff. I won't get her yet. Huh? What do you mean, Tim? What do you mean, Tim? Huh? What do you mean? I don't understand. Do you think? Do you think I am like that? Look my place. Look, if I spend so fast, look my place. I have no the kitchen. I have no the kitchen. Means you don't know how to handle. You know, you know how to place where I live. I have no kitchen. Kitchen. Where? Here. I have no bed frame. If I want to do something to stuff, I will do the by the important in our room in my home like the kitchens like the clothes the closets. That's why you said why my room is so messy because I have no closets for that. How I organize my things if I have no something if I do something I am not a materialistic. You know what? I have no earrings. I have no necklace. Even the no, I have no even I have a no makeup. What do you want to say about me that I want to spend so fast? If I am materialistic, if I want to do something, I will buy. Look my place. I need to do that. You know what? It's expensive. It's very expensive to do the no to the furnish of the home. Even the roof is still raining when rain. I have the roof is what do you call this? It's also rain here. Why you want to see me to meet you? Yes, you want to just explaining why you want to monetize that one. Yes, that's why I want to monetize because I want to buy or I want to get what I want because I never experienced that life. Why you want? Of course, I want to be the easy because my life in my whole life I experienced a difficult life. Cheryl, shut up and read. I explain, you explaining, and I explain my side. I'm explaining to Reda's side. Oh my god. I explained. And I explained that. Yes, I explained because you said I spend so fast. If I spend the fast, I buy the pail. I buy the something like I buy like this. I buy soup. I buy vinegar. I buy sugar. I buy coffee. I buy fish, rice. Even the no, underwear, I can't buy a good underwear because I need to buy a basic needs. Wait lang. My priority. Maribukong ka, nag-live si tita. I buy the basic needs. The important. Tig-sing, tig-dis. Walang dali. Nasa imo yan na. Sa imo yan. Palang na.
Tin nga, tin.
Papa, I showed that. I'm just reading it. Oh, I explain because you want to say to understand the people here you supporting me, but of course I need to do that. It helps for me and it helps for you. That what if I earn more money? Not you not less to sending me to it's the like at least for you to send me more, to send me money, because I can support myself. You get me? You don't need, because I can support. What if I can support myself? At least for you to do that. Cheryl, she always does. Your language is really beautiful but complicated. No, I'm not stop. I'm explaining. I think that I chat stop. She always does. You're overthinking it. Cheryl, stop. I Hey, Cheryl. She doesn't treat golden. Oh, fuck. I'm just explaining. Why you delete why you delete your ano? Why you delete your comment here? Maybe golden didn't read that. We get it. You always do that. You always we understand. I'm explaining. I think the chat stop. I don't understand you. Why you need to say that here, Tim? Why you need to say that here? We talk about in private about that. Why you need to say that here? So I want to explain uh, here that I'm my side. I love your Samba video every day. Was working hard on your video. Thank you so much. You're overthinking. I'm not overthinking. I'm just explaining. Why you will understand me, Golden, if you read a team comment, but he deleted. He deleted the comment. There no side. Hi, Angel Mira. Golden, you don't understand me, Golden. Because Tim he delete his comment deleted. I understand it. I didn't delete anything to read it all. Why you need to delete? You deleted. Sure, I do. I understand. Yes. Why I don't understand you, Tim. Why need to hear to say that? No, that was a comment before to hide. That's why I always delete. It's a stop. It's not overthinking. I'm just explaining. You said you're explaining, so I'm explaining myself here too. Just I'm explaining too. It's not an overthinking or what's. I'm explaining. Look at my place. Look at my life here. You overreacting. I'm not overreacting. Oh my God, Golden. Okay, we got it, but you kept going on. No, that was a comment before. Okay. I just keep on dreaming till my heart exhales. I was afraid this time again. Just not the is this final parting from. Love the sound of the rooster in the. I can see. If you don't, if you don't need to explain, she knows I love her. Oh, to love. I don't know. You just need things like where one else do, Cheryl. What? What then? What golden? I okay, we got it, Joe, but keep on going. That golden confused me just now. Like everyone else do. I don't like blaming. No need to give everything. Just I don't like blaming. Because if you can, I'm not forcing anyone to give everything to me. Your living is fine, there's nothing wrong. Reminds me. Like, I'm not forcing you. Yes, I want the material things like I want having a beautiful home. Uh, yes, I like that beautiful home, a car. Of course, it's my dream. Good life, a lot of money, and every people, I like that. But I don't like forcing. Wait, I'm not forcing anyone or someone forcing me to send me that material things. I'm not like that. If you can't afford, it's fine. I need to work hard so on my own to earn money that no blaming. If someone give me a beautiful life or support me for his willingness, I really appreciate that. I really appreciate those people who willing to supporting me. I really appreciate that person who said that sure. I don't like blaming. I'm not forcing anyone to give me everything to me. I know for what? For blaming me. I don't like blaming. If you want to give me everything, I really appreciate and very thankful for that. But forcing someone to give me everything and it's blaming me, I'm not like that. She just tell overthinking. Yes, because I don't like blaming. I can feed myself I can feed myself even I'm not met you. Shut up. I'm explaining. Sure, calm down. Yes. I'm explaining myself to you guys. What are you going on about? That's why I do live here to make money. But I'm not uh Yes, but I'm not asking to everyone here. Can you send me money? Oh, if I do that, I will send here when you can send me money for help me. But I'm not do that because I need to follow the time process to earn money. Right it's a right process. People here they know I'm working. I'm a farm worker working. So if I'm a successful someday and to those people who help me, I'm very thankful for you guys. Some people, but I think that why everyone is on YouTube to make money. Yes, I'm here to earn money because that's why I'm here. This is my my goal to earn money here. That's why I'm here, Golden, to earn money because yep, yep. I love women. Thank you for joining, guys. Cheryl.
Ulit-ulit lang, di kaya hindi na. Mama! Kuya, korte mo daw. Ba? Nakatulog ka na daw.
Even though I'm a little bit, I won't hear the end of this song. But for a minute and countdown. I'm just explaining Golden because I wouldn't want to hear the playing like I love your channel. For what? For what? Oh my god! She doesn't like you. I love your channel. You are beautiful and you have principles. Proud of you, my lady. Jamie, Jamie, Jamie. Thank you for the 6 people here. Thank you so much. He's so stop. Stop. Amatos Cosmos. Hi, Amatos Cosmos. Hello, your brain like to run. Like to run. I won't stop. This is a happy place because of you. Oh my God, Jamie! Shalom says good afternoon. Good afternoon, Amatos Cosmas. Thank you for joining here. See, I don't think he understands. English. I don't understand English sometimes myself. Golden, I feel you. Matos.
Aray ko sinunod ko kung talaga.
How's the weather over here? There, the weather here is raining here, but rain stop raining now here. Stop raining now
Ano,
here.
lugi talaga ako sa kutsit. Ano yun? Record ang sa green. Ano, ikukutsin na naman mo.
And I speak full English.
Ano, doon ka bawal ka na.
Who's shouting next? Your children. The children shouting is my son, his cousins, his cousins. Hoy, puyo ka mo doon! Gabriel! Gab!
Ang pinang manili. Naway ka pa ga?
Ang sabi ko pumuroyo.
Sa'yo, panahan ka.
Gabriel! Akayrog sa naniwa mo.
Ano, si Siya? Kamu.
Para insasabihan ka ni Sia.
Tuwas ka. Aray ko!
I only don't thank Jimmy because when she get monetized, he said the sky is the limit he will see. The rainy season is only good for the vegetables and farms. But here, it's not good here because always raining here. I thought Gab had school because
Sabi mo,
no school because have a storm here now. School suspension today. Who teach your English, Sheryl? Only me.
sabi mo.
Only me. I educate myself. Who don't have a pet? You don't have? No, I don't. I don't like animals, JB. Oh my God, school of all work.
Sabi mo yun, bawal na. Ito pa. Sa iyo man yan eh.
Kung kaya ko nang di na sana. Wow, you teach yourself. Yes. I educate myself. Bye. Bye, Amatos Cosmos. Take care. God bless you. Thank you for joining here. Thank you for passing by. Bye-bye. Di na sana lalapit, lapit pa. Kaya ko sa ito. And if she has people talk here in English, she will learn more. Yep. Oh, be careful with that kind of weather. Thank you, Jamie. Your English is really good. Thank you, Golden. I hope so.
Siyempre, kagay mo. Kagay mo nga eh. Di ba ako
Ito
naiintindihan?
ang tanging nais ko. Pagmamahalan, pagsusuyuan, at tuloy ang Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Hi. How you know? How you learn by watching? Me? Yep. I don't know. Just I learned the basic. I learned the basic English. Just the basic, like something like that. Watching, how, something like that. But the other words sometimes I said, what is that? That's why I said I don't understand even the English because it's a deep meaning. Yeah, I don't have new, but for many years I always keep a couple of dogs with me. Oh, okay. I don't like animals. All okay. This guy is some of the old plant. God.
Naghihigda! Ito mo talaga naiimod ko. Dapat ko sa iyo, boy. Oo, ako nakagamba. Ako nagano, nagsusunod. Pero ako nalaga.
Wait lang. I learned that dogs, when they're barking, they don't bite you. Have to be careful of the quiet ones. They're always looking for the opportunity. So be careful when you're walking around. Oh my God, Jamie. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you, Jamie. Oh my God, Jamie. Jamie, Jamie, Jamie. He is nuts. Nuts? What means nuts? What means nuts? Oh my God.
Agahan! 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 Wala pa sila nabutod. Wala pa sila nabutod. Agahan!
Crazy. Nuts means crazy.
Sorry ko. Uli yan.
Maybe he live in a ruffled neighborhood. My God, Golden. Oh my God. Kaya kung iba ka, di na sana lalapit-lapit ka.
Sabi ko baga ako nagpapatapon. Ako nagpapatapon sa iyo. Siya no, si Atila.
I feel my
Ito na si Mama.
my hood Sheryl Ohm. You are amazing. I like that you always take care of everybody. Jamie.
Tinataglan.
Di ba't sabi mo?
Atila.
May panga. Did you model? No. Did you model before? Oh my God, no. I'm not beautiful, Golden. You joking? Oh my God. You don't have to color your nose. You are beautiful. I'm not powder my nose. I just I just use the mirror because I have no mirror here. Look, the mirror. Only mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Only the mirror. Mirror. I'm just mirror, mirror on the wall. No powder. Where? Yup. Yes. You could have. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the beautiful in the mirror response? Wara. Kung kaya kong iwan ka, di na sana lalapit-lapit ka. Mahal pa rin kita. Hihiliw ko. Bakit did you cook lunch yet? Who are you talking? Me? Who else? Am I talking to you? Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Afternoon here already. We already ate the lunch. Now the time here now is 3:33 in the afternoon. We need to eat the snacks. Sheryl Ohm. Golden. Charot. Kung kaya kong iwan ka. Where my food? All done. The food is done. It's enough for our here. Sorry, no overlap the food. Oh my god! Ah, oh my god. I thought you serious your bad emoji. Angry emoji, angry. Oh my god! You're a very special lady. Hey, Jamie. Jamie. I'm confusing you, Jamie. Jamie on the wall. Jamie. Don't get him excited. Shows funny. My god. I wish I knew the lyrics of the song. The mirror on the wall. It's not the song. Mirror on the wall. That's not the song. Di na sana lalapit pa. Mahal pa rin kita. No one knew where singing. Oh my god. Ugiliw ka. That's why. Oh my God. May multo.
Ay, yun na lang.
Mumulto na ako ng damdamin mo. Ng damdamin mo. Di ka.
Ako yun! Pinatay ko.
Jimmy. Oh, it was no school today. Yes, no school today. Do you have a twin? Jimmy, do you have a twin? Jimmy, tell us your age. You never told us yesterday. Golden, you have us that many times. Huh? Me? Ouch. Oh, sorry. No! Me? If I have a twin, Golden? If I have a twin, you asking me, Golden? Yeah, she doesn't for the record. I keep forgetting. Me too. I forgot about it. I forget that. I forgot everything. A lot. I keep forgetting. Sorry. It's fine. I feel you, Golden. Same. I feel you too. When you get older, you forget things. Yeah. I need to. When you smile, everything changes to happiness. I don't like when I'm sad. I'm not sad. The most she forget is where you guys come from. What? What? Yeah, I forget. Like Jamie, I forget where he from. Yes, I forget a lot of things. Oh my God, Jimmy, I just the up in my mouth. Tinubab, mama. Like Golden, she has no clue where you're from. Golden, you don't know where I'm from? Oh my God. You don't know where I'm from? Oh my God, I don't like you anymore. You don't know where I'm from, Golden. Tell me. Tell me now. Oh my God, you don't me where you, Cheryl, you don't know where he is from. Right. You oh, me. Oh man, sorry. I thought Golden. Sorry. Like Golden, she has no clue where you're from. Sorry. That's because I'm not here all the time. Sorry. I know Golden from. He's from USA, but I forgot about where in the US. Yes, I don't know where you're in US. Look my veins. My veins. My veins. Oh my god. Yeah, Golden, you hung out in Annalyn room with Azol. Here's what? Sabis? Annalyn room? Who's Annalyn? Greg Davis. Oh, Greg. Who's Annalyn?
Who's a boy?
Annalyn, Greg, girlfriend.
This contract.
She could be a vampire, Jamie. Be careful. Greg, old girlfriend. So what? If they still beautiful. Oh, so that was you. What? What? I kicked Jamie for 24 hours. No, Mhm. Oh my god, I want to stretch. I thought I thought it's seen that name before. I'm banned from the room, Greg. Did that? You're banned? Annalyn channel, Greg Davis girlfriend, not me there. You can't stop them. Oh, then someone copying you. Jonathan Santiago. Hello, Jonathan. Yes, every Greg said I go in a room and he banned me. I keep reporting him. Huh? Oh my god. Yes, every Greg said I go in a room and you mean you mean you mean Tim you going you mean Tim you join band nothing. Yeah, you mean Tim you join the other room and Greg Davis is banned because Greg have lots of uh, YouTuber friends. So mean you will join lots of. You mean yep. You join a lot of streamer live streaming. Me and Gig hate each other. Why you hate each other, Tim? Huh? Because of what? Because of Annalyn? Oh my God. Okay. Okay, I will kick them next time. Why? Why you kick them? Why? What? I don't understand you guys.
One. Muna ko niya call. One pala.
She is overthinking. No, shut up. Why should I shut up? I'm asking. I don't understand. Enjoy.
No, kasi!
I don't go in a lot of rooms. Thank you. I don't go in a lot of rooms. Why you say that? That you mean I Greg Davis ban you Yeah. Always ban you. What do you mean like that? If you don't understand, then stop going on with stuff.